Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's gaining immense popularity for experts, educators, and businesses alike: hosting paid webinars and workshops. If you've been looking for a powerful way to share your knowledge, engage with your audience, and generate revenue, you're in the right place. We're going to break down how to make your paid virtual events a smashing success. Why charge for your webinars and workshops? So, why consider charging for your webinars or workshops? The answer is multifaceted. Firstly, it positions your content as premium. When participants pay, they inherently perceive higher value and are often more committed to attending and engaging. This commitment translates into better attendance rates and a more focused, dedicated audience. Secondly, it provides a direct revenue stream, allowing you to monetize your expertise and hard work. This can be particularly impactful for independent creators, consultants, and small businesses looking to diversify their income. Finally, charging helps to filter out individuals who might not be genuinely interested, ensuring you're connecting with a highly qualified and motivated group. Setting up your paid event now. Let's talk about the practicalities of setting up your paid event. The first crucial step is choosing the right platform. You'll need a platform that not only handles the live broadcast smoothly, but also integrates seamlessly with payment processing. Popular options include dedicated webinar platforms like Zoom Webinar, GoToWebinar, or even specialized course platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or Kajabi, which offer robust webinar functionalities. Consider features like screen sharing, Q&A, polling, and breakout rooms, especially for workshops where interaction is key. Once you've selected your platform, you'll need to set up your pricing strategy. This involves determining a fair price point that reflects the value of your content, the duration of the event, and your target audience's budget. Don't be afraid to experiment with tiered pricing, early bird discounts, or bundle offers to maximize registrations. Promoting your paid event, effectively promoting your paid webinar or workshop effectively is paramount. Don't just rely on a single announcement. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy. Leverage your existing email list. This is often your most engaged audience. Craft compelling email sequences that highlight the unique benefits participants will gain. Utilize social media platforms where your target audience spends their time. Create engaging posts, stories, and even short video snippets that tease the valuable insights you'll be sharing. Consider running targeted paid ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn to reach a broader yet specific demographic. Collaborating with other experts or influencers in your niche can also be a fantastic way to expand your reach and tap into new audiences. Remember, the goal is to create excitement and clearly articulate the transformation or solution your event provides, delivering an exceptional experience. Finally, let's touch upon delivering an exceptional experience. It's not just about the content, it's about the entire journey for your participants. Ensure your technical setup is flawless. Test your audio, video, and internet connection thoroughly beforehand. Engage with your audience throughout the event through polls, Q&A sessions, and interactive exercises, especially in workshops. Be prepared for technical glitches and have a backup